This is the second video. So in the first video, we have created a simple HTML page. Now this is your index.html. You can save this file in your local machine, any computer, and then open it and open with Chrome or browser. Like for example, if you click right click and if when this file downloads, for example, I'm going to show you. Last, I think I have skipped it. So I'm going to show you now. Let's say I'm going to put it here somewhere in the any folders if you want. Let's say um, downloads. Okay, so this is something it looked like. Okay, and if you open it, yeah, so this is directly from your machine. So this is the website that we have made, and the same website, if we host it in any uh, platform, for example hostinger or GoDaddy or any platform that you use, this is how it's going to look like. Now let's get a little advanced. Now the second step is HTML is done. Now we are going to learn about CSS. So basically, what is CSS? So CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Now imagine like we have made a website. Okay, so this was our website. Now we want to design it, we want to make it colorful, we want to uh, shift the angle. I'm going to show you the, like, so this is the typical code for CSS. So example, color is blue, the background color is going to be black. So this is some styling to website. Let me run it. Look, now the same website has some coloring now. This has changed to blue, this has changed to black. So this is how CSS works. CSS gives you the change the look of your website. So this is a styling. By the name of itself, it's the styling scripting language, and it changes the styling of your structure of yours. So HTML basically is the structure, CSS is designing, and JavaScript is the functionality. Next is JavaScript. So let's add some, and we will learn JavaScript in the next tutorial. Add some more designing using CSS. Okay, so it's thinking, adding some more, keeping the thing simple. Let's see what it has done now. So basically, if you see this code, this is something new. In our previous one, the style was not there, so the style just have came. So this is called CSS. So it has made some styling to it. In the body it made some adjustments. So these are the few tags. You don't need to understand it now. I'm just going to give you what everything does line by line. You can always Google them, practice and practice. So let's run this. Look at this website now, the same website which we have made earlier. For example, if you see the difference, this was the first one, and this is after applying the CSS. Okay, in the next tutorial we will learn about JavaScript, how JavaScript works, and how we can make our website much better.